We're in the process of planning another super awesome fun night. We did have one last year, so look for more information on that. Probably beginning of December. Come hang out with everybody here at the high school.
I think I want to do it.
All right. I'll put the hot seat before, but not the cold seat. Let's see how we're doing. I got you over there. Good? Oh, I don't know. The freshman looks like, oh, I don't know. All right, and now we're going to have Candace Booms to come down and introduce the equestrian team.
Equestrian team?
Yeah, we had a equestrian team.
Oh,
That was the practice for Saturday.
All right, this is your 2013 equestrian team. We have Madeline McLeod. Small team, but what they lack in size, they brought in determination, and they are district champions this year.
Yeah. Well, I wish I would have known about that. I missed.
And now we're going to have the cheerleaders introduce themselves and do another cheer.
No. I was going to say, that would be something you could possibly do. No. You just don't want to be a part of it? Or? I just want to ride horses together. That's all I want to do. I can't. Ride them? I can't do the competition stuff. But you can at least ride them.
It is my honor and privilege to introduce to you this year's football cheer team. For our freshman class, we have Bethany Elder, Tasha DeCare, and our sophomore class is represented by Haley Houston. And our juniors are TJ Pearson. Lindsay DeCare. And representing the seniors, Sydney Gray. Monica Smith. Twilight Wagner. And me, Stephanie Meter.
I would too. I'll see if they can get through their cheers. Oh, they give me one.